could use as a Ratchet socket wrench. Just insert the 1/4 drive socket adapter into the box end of it directly. Or connect the bit coupler to become a Ratchet screwdriver. The smart and speedy open-end design improves your work efficiency. 1/4 square drive speedy T-handle could also use as a socket wrench by inserting the socket, or you can connect it with the bit coupler for changing to screwdriver. Converted the T-handle into L-handle for providing powerful torque. This set includes the 50mm and 100mm extension bar and a universal joint. Each accessory has 1/4 square drive for a variety of functions to fit your need.